Here's my disclaimer for today. I was at school for 10 hours yesterday and my body hurt. I didn't get a lunch. I was really tired. So this morning I slept. I didn't actually set an alarm, and so I almost didn't wake up in time for school. And then I sat in my bed my whole morning because my feet felt like fire when I stood up. And so all I did was put on mascara and like a little bit of concealer, but throughout the day I wiped all my concealer off. So sorry that I look ugly today. That's
Stop!
all.
You do not. You're gorgeous.
Sorry that I don't look as
fabulous.
wonderful as normal.
Manifest. No,
Anyway,
you do look fabulous.
My hair looks fabulous.
I just got a
Look how
haircut.
healthy it looks.
It does. It looks really good. Okay, can we thumbnail?
Yeah.
Hey everybody, and welcome. Today's video is the unboxing of our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for September 2020. This is the Ipsy versus Ipsy, mother versus daughter. Okay, typically you can do add-ons, and I'm like 99.9999% sure I did not do this. Now, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is $25 a month, plus tax. What?
5 add-ons.
Did you?
Yeah, apparently.
I didn't do nothing.
I done forgot.
Okay, well go ahead and start with your add-ons. Now this is supposed to be profile based, but I do fib and say that I am much younger. I checked my profile last month. It says I'm 23, and the one thing I found out when I stopped telling Ipsy my actual age and just started fibbing and saying 23, I started to get much better bags. So I'm gonna figure out what's going on here, because I've got stuff in and out.
Why did I bought 2 of these?
We all kinds of confused up in here. So, and you know what else I'm confused about?
Everything.
This is what the bag looks like, which I do like that they finally went back to larger bags. It is a drawstring type of bag. But I thought I saw some people have a black one with like a zodiac sign or something on there. Not like burgundy velvet stuff. Do you know about this?
No.
I could have sworn I saw one. Leave me a comment down below if you guys know what I'm talking about, because I could have sworn I saw, because last month it was all pink. Now, while Haley is finding her add-ons and whatnot, okay, a little information regarding the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus is they have switched it. So now you do get to customize 3 out of the 5 items in the bag. So you do get an option, multiple choice of 3 of the items in there, and then Ipsy chooses the 2 other based upon your profile. So,
and your reviews help you a lot. Based how you review products, say like you get sent sheet masks and you don't like sheet masks, it'll ask you like how much you like this brand, and while you might like that brand, you can rate that brand 5 stars. You don't like sheet masks, give it 1 star.
yeah. Okay, go ahead and show us all of your add-ons.
Okay, so I felt a little bougie. Not really. Most of my things were $3 actually. 5, yeah. Okay, so this one was $12 though, just because like, I don't know, I just thought this was going to be so great because it said brighten and blur, and I was like, well, okay.
We love that.
So this is the Julep Cushion Complexion 5-in-1 Skin Perfector with the turmeric concealer, and I got the shade Ivory because I'm pale.
Because I am
tell.
pale. Well, I have Sunless Tanner on.
And, oh.
That looks nice.
Yeah.
Looks like it's heavy. And this was $3?
No, 12.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so.
By Julep?
Yeah.
Have y'all tried this? Let us know down below.
I kind of like, do you think I'll break it if I pull it out? Yeah, probably.
Yeah, why would you do that?
I
would
want to
say
know
it's
how
a
much
twisty
product
turn.
it is. I want to just know how much product. Like, does it stop right there? Does it go all the way?
Well, does it just tell you in ounces, Hale?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 0.16 ounces, 4.6 grams. Boom.
So you think the whole thing's full?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I just think 4.6 grams of it is full.
Okay, so that's my first one, and the rest were all $3. So the next one is this DRMTLGY Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum, but I guess I think the brand is DRMTLGY. And
I've seen that brand
in a little box
before. Ooh.
And it's like a deluxe size sample, so that's really nice.
That does look like a nice size.
Then I got like a full size of this Hemp's lip moisturizing balm. Anyways, and then I got these OFRA Cosmetics tweezers.
Oh, they're
and they're like
so
the
nice
pointed
looking
ones, and they have like the spring in the middle, and they were $3, and I just thought that was nice. And then I also got this, but I also have one of these in my bag, so spoiler alert. It's this item Brow Chow in medium brown, and there's like a little, you remember those oval brushes? It's like
oh my gosh, it's so cute.
And then on the other side it's a
Oh, that's nice. That was $3?
Yeah, but oh, let me close it first. Now you can take it.
Look how cute, guys.
I don't know why I bought it because I also chose that as one of my items.
I don't know. In my head, I'm zooming in right now so you guys can see this.
Make it fast.
That's so cute. That is so cute. Okay. Okay, you want to start off? No. I don't even do my own eyebrows well, so like. Okay. So
you chose it?
I guess.
I chose it.
I don't have my phone to decide. So this is the Yinsa Color Plus Base Silk Bronzing Base Sunlight Glow Bronzer Plus
Brush
Duo. Yes, I did choose this because it reminded me.
What's that? Products. It smells like cherries, but like, you see that? What I'm talking about?
That's just moisture from like the heat. It was sitting outside.
It's not water. It's like, it looks like Vaseline. It feels like Vaseline too. Well, my product's sweaty.
Ooh,
and
it smells delicious.
See, look, feel.
It's really silky feeling.
What? Did you break it?
No, I mushed it down, but we good. We good. All is well in the hood. Okay.
What's the brush smell like?
I don't know. That's what I was about to ask. It reminded me of the Kevin Aquan. Yeah, that's nice. I like this. Okay.
And it's kind of like a 2-for-1.
Yeah. This is neat. Okay, I'm excited. What's your next item? Okay, you took too long. So my next item is a Gold Faded MD Brightening Elixir. So this is what the box looks like. I really wish I had my phone so I could tell you guys the prices. There's no card in here that gives me the prices, which is such a bummer. It just tells me where to go find everything. Ipsy, why are you laughing, Haley?
I started to slide backwards and I was just like thinking my leggings are so slippery. Is that the strawberry pound cake candle? That's the best. That's my favorite scent. But I started to slide back because my leggings are really slippery, and I was like, how funny.
There's not like a lot of butt room.
And I was like, how funny would it be if I
would have lost it.
That would feed yourself.
Probably would have, for reals.
Okay, so my... Oh, sorry, I thought you were done.
No, I'm done.
Okay, well, my next item, I did not pick this. Ipsy picked this for me. It's the Context Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream.
I don't know. It's Trusty. Did I pick this?
2.
It's a color contour.
Oh dang, it's 3?
What the heck?
Why do you keep singing that song?
Because that's my dance song for TikTok. Are you guys following me over on TikTok? Because TikTok is doing this thing like YouTube likes to do, where it gets rid of your subscribers and you're like, look at that. Okay.
So is it more than one thing?
So we can contour. We can, oh, it's got a brush to smudge it out. Then you've got the other part of potentially something.
Magnetic Sealing Cap Bronzer Stick Blender Brush. So that's just a magnet.
Yep. Yep. It is. Boom. Okay, I have zero information because Ipsy has changed their ways. They give you a card, but they tell you nothing. They say, hey,
this is a waste of trees. I love Ipsy though, so I'm sorry. But I would like it better if there was more information on my items.
Yeah.
So anyways, next item. I didn't pick this either. It's 2 face masks. Wow, foaming peeling puff?
Ooh.
What? Well, anyways, it's 2 face masks. So that's cool. I don't really like face masks.
Did you?
I don't like sheet masks. I'm sorry. I like face masks, not sheet masks.
Cheek Money Swipe and Glow Bronzer.
What's up with you and bronzer?
I don't know. Your 3rd one. Yeah, this is like, I didn't. Please hold. I'm getting my phone. This isn't making sense. Like
that means that I almost just passed out. I started to lift my leg up and I couldn't see for a second.
That's not good.
Yes, I know. I'm dehydrated.
Oh, look, it's my song. Tonight. Oh, as long as I got my, oh wait, 15-second rule.
I thought it was 30 seconds.
Heck, I don't know. I just don't want to take no chances. All right, let's figure this out, Ipsy.
That means you picked at least 2 bronzers then.
Okay, I did not pick this Gold Faded MD Brightening Elixir Doohickey, which does have a retail value of some money.
Some money.
$80 apparently.
Oh, maybe I should say that too.
I'm just trying to figure out all this. This I didn't pick, the Tristique bronzer stick. I didn't pick that. Okay, so the only thing I've picked so far was this Yinza thing.
And this item.
Apparently I picked that too. What the heck? Apparently I was like, I feel so pale. I need all the bronze. Okay, so I picked, you picked this, and this is, yeah, I picked it. Item Beauty Cheek Money Duo Mood and Vibes. I don't really want to open it though, because I feel like I have so much of this that like you or grandma could benefit from it. So let me just show you guys what it looks like. Oh, look at you focusing. So that's what it looks like. And like I said, I have so many bronzers, obviously, that I will just gift this. But it's cute. Like, you rip the... Nobody cares. Anyways, go ahead. I cut myself off. Too much talking.
So, my next item...
Can't hear you.
My next item I already showed you because I already have one. And I lost it, but this one's in a box. So, I don't know if I paid $3 for this one or the one without a box. But one has a box, one doesn't have a box. The more you know. And it's also in a pull tab. But I opened it. You're welcome. Satisfying. Zoom in on that, please. Wait, whoa, this is different. Okay, so I know why I bought that one. That one's a normal one, this one's ultra fine. Same little oval brush. What the heck? No, this is not ultra fine. This is the exact same.
Are the colors different?
Oh wait, they both say ultra fine. No, they're the exact same color. It's just literally different packaging. I'm a fool.
No, you're not.
I don't know, but I picked this shiny one, I'm assuming, because it came with packaging. Wow, in here it says, I love you, say it back.
Aww, what brand is this?
Item.
That's cute.
This one.
Oh, okay. Should I open it?
Just
no. Do it?
Just do it.
Okay. I want to be cool like Haley. It says it loves me too.
Aww.
The packaging is actually really cute.
Yeah. Well, I like that one. That's like red to me. Is it red? Oh, it says it on the mirror.
Oh. This is actually really cutesy. Alright, do you have another? Me too.
Wow, did you pick this?
Yeah.
Me too.
I like this. So this is the Dr. Brandt Pore Dermabrasion Pore Perfecting Exfoliant. We got that. We got to pick that. So, give me your thoughts on this bio.
I'm content, and I now have 2 new eyebrow pencils. Exact same thing, a little bit different packaging. I need some of this chapstick real bad.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. I mean, I don't think it's bad. I was gonna ask you if it smelled like something. I got nothing. I don't know. I do smell it now. That smells good. I like this. I don't know. I'll play around with it, but I mean, like I said, the one thing I do remember when it came to my Ipsy choices is I wasn't like overexcited over what my choice options
Apparently, because you chose 3 bronzers.
No, I did not. They gave
She chose
I did.
2 bronzers after knowing she was gonna get one.
I don't know. I have issues. Anyways, what are your thoughts?
Well, like I said, I don't really love sheet masks. Not my favorite. I love the little bag though. So cute. I like that they're drawstring now. Is this the second month we've had a drawstring bag? Okay, I thought so. So I like that. This, I'm kind of upset because mine was like kind of sweaty, but I'm still going to try it because I like the concept of it. I'm obviously excited about the eyebrow pencil. So excited that I bought 2. Like, I bought a second one. I really like eye cream, and I like this.
Yeah, that was my favorite part.
Yes, yes.
Was the Dr. Brandt.
I felt like just this kind of made it worth it to pay for the whole bag.
True, and that's smart. When you look at it like that, like, was it worth $25? Absolutely, because like you said, that exfoliator alone, I'll tell you guys how much it's worth.
$1 million quadrillion dollars.
Hold on, my phone is having an attitude. We can stop that now. So the Dr. Brandt alone, the Pore Dermabrasion, is $58. So when you look at it like that, you got it like half off.
So should we go and talk about the prices of our product?
If you want.
Okay, great. My sheet masks were $17.25. They need to have a back button.
I know, that's what I'm saying. What did you think overall, like, whose bag won?
The only thing I didn't like was my sheet mask.
You see, and the only thing I wasn't like, I don't know. I don't know.
I think you're kind of because you got 3 bronzers.
Yeah. I think I like your bag better.
Okay. Well, that's how much my sheet masks were. The Content Skin Vitamin C Eye Cream retails for $24.50. The Dr. Brandt, you already went over that.
I already told you that. $58.
Yeah, $58. This Yenza cream bronzer and brush retails for $50.
Which, that's around the price of the Kevin Aucoin foundation balm stuff.
And then the Item Beauty Brow Chow and Medium Brown Eyebrow Pencil retails for $14.
So overall, what bag do you like better?
Well, I liked everything in my bag. Except for the sheet mask. And I'll still use the sheet masks. I'll make Bo do them with me. But they're just not my favorite. They make me cold. So I don't really use them.
Yeah, I don't know. This was, last month's Ipsy was awesome. This one I was kind of like,
Yeah, I think for me it was the Bailey Serum palette last month. So
the Bailey palette was nice. I had to put it on my shelf because I kept grabbing for it. The Estate palette with Bailey Syrian, really good. Okay guys, so that is everything. Let us know down below what were your thoughts. Whose bag was better? What were your thoughts on it? Haley's
I didn't drop anything today.
So let us know down below what you guys' thoughts were. What were some of your picks? Did you like the picks this month? Because like I said, I felt like it was just like, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, well maybe it's just me. It is late in the day. It is actually 8 o'clock, after 8 o'clock at night. So it's like, this is my TV time. So anyways,
here
guys.
I am and disturbing it. She was like, your Ipsy came in, and I was like, oh, okay, cool. And I'm walking out, I see 2 Ipsy bags, and I'm like, is yours here? And she was like, yes. And I was like, sit down, like, let's film while I'm here. And she's like,
it's past my filming time. Anyways, I'm being a whiny butt. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. We will be coming back and doing our Ipsy Glam Bag, which is a $12 a month bag. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, notifications. I upload 12:15 Eastern Time, Monday through Friday, 9 p.m. Saturday and Sunday if I upload. So make sure to come back and check us out. And don't forget, follow me over on Instagram as well, because there is a giveaway over there, and over on TikTok, because as long as I got my suit and tie.
And until next time, we hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky.
Bye. I like how you took that over.